Hi, today we are going to illustrate two ways of making light strips on walls in Coohom. The first way is to use the material brush. First, going to our personal page, click on the personal library, and then click on textures. We can upload a luminous material. Then you need to select the properties and categories for a certain one you uploaded from the Material Properties panel. Please note that here the mapping dimension parameter determines the scale of the material you uploaded. Then let's go back to the floor plan. We simply draw a small room here. Then choose the constructions. Then click a wall and select Wall Editor to decorate the wall in detail. That's it. Use the rectangle tool to draw the position of the light bar. So that we delineate this luminous area. We randomly picked a material for the walls. Then we can look for the material we just uploaded. Select this luminous material and brush it to the area. Then we choose the glowing strip to do the area processing or use the duplicate tool to copy it. Let's copy it one by one. And then also there is a tip to press Shift for multiple selections. Then we can copy them all together. Okay, click Save so that you can see the light strip has been painted on the wall. Next, we will demonstrate the second way to add light strip in the tool. First, by drawing rectangles on the surface, then push and pull a space in which such niches can be formed. Then apply the same material as the other wall with the material brush to give this wall a painting. Then select the tool for the light strip. Adjust parameters by entering specific dimensions. Then you can check the section of the light strip. Click to adapt to this niche space. Also, you do the same thing to the other one. We can change to another light color source. Here we picked a light blue. Okay, then we need to use the material brush, all the same, to paint the outside of the strip. Same materials as the other part of the wall, so as on the other side. Here another tip, we can do the same thing, brush the material in batches at a time by holding Shift and box select the objects. Then brush them at one time. Well, then look how it's done all together, and then we save the operation so that you can check the two walls are decorated by different type of light strips. Let's go ahead to render to check the effect. Here's another tip on how to get a better perspective when the room is tiny. You cannot avoid the wall in your eyesight, so we can adapt a clipping effect. Alright, hold on seconds. We will be able to see the glow in a minute. So as you can see here, this picture shows two different decorative wall lighting effects. So that is basically how we practice different light effects on walls. You could also refer to other videos on our YouTube channel or browsing our help center to learn how to use Coohom. So that's all for this topic, and thank you and see you next time.